besides a whole bunch of wire? Look at all this wire. This is crazy.
Bit of wire. We got 5 70 amp hour limitless lithiums, 2 teraamps base 30Ks, and I don't know, 500-600 feet of 2
Yeah, Tara, I just heard 2 12Ks over there. That blew my mind. A 30K?
Well, you got 2 of them.
Oh my God.
It was gonna have 3, but then I sold them to a customer. So.
Yeah.
Literally.
Wow, it's crazy. Let's go look under the hood, and then I'm gonna climb in. Damn.
Yeah.
What's this you're holding?
Control box.
Why is it outside the vehicle?
He's
not stupid.
You're about to learn.
I'm not getting in there.
I want to get in again.
You want to get in? Trying to make that face? You about to see? Yep.
I saw him earlier.
Yep. We got all SMD fuse holders, distribution. We got the direct leads running to those, so I can change the impedance.
Look at all that wire, man.
Yep. 3 Singer alts, 2 more limitless batteries up here.
Two tips on surviving in here.
I haven't been in it.
Oh, okay. Well, if you ain't getting in it, I ain't getting in it.
I don't know if they
What?
turn it up or not.
Amanda is probably either inside with the baby.
He wants me to get in it, and he hasn't even been in it.
You want the hot seat?
Has anybody else got in it before?
Yeah.
You want the hot seat or am I getting in the hot seat?
You gonna get in there with me?
Oh yeah.
Okay, come on, let's go.
2 for 1.
Back home to you.
Fuck you, Jerry!
A little bit more windy when it comes to the board.
All right, here we go.
Back home to you.
God damn, it does smell, man. It smells like coil. But it is so loud. God damn. This thing is not playing around, man. I had to squirm a little bit so I didn't tap.
Yeah, what
Jesus.
Yeah, wait.
Woo, look at the smoke.
That's smoke, dude.
Yeah. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I sure do see it.
What smoke?
Damn, dude. We're moving like fucking Indonesians, bro. Oh, fuck.
Tell you what.
Oh, not yet?
Hey, can I get out?
It's dangerous.
Dangerous?
I'm liquid poison.
Oh, I'm out of here. I'm a little disoriented. I know you are.
That wasn't fun.
Yeah, it was. I liked it.